After nesting your parts, you'll often see large, unused areas on the sheet like this. Instead of discarding this material, you can easily save it as a remnant to reuse on the next job. Navigate to the Remnant menu and select Auto Remnant, then choose your remnant type. Here, we'll use the rectangle-oriented type. The software automatically calculates the largest possible usable area, showing you a clear outline of the remnant that will be saved to your library. If you change your mind, correcting it is simple. Just return to the Remnant menu and select Remove Remnant. This action immediately deletes the remnant definition, allowing you to redefine it or proceed without one. To save irregularly shaped leftovers and maximize material usage, choose Manual Remnant. You have complete control to define the exact boundary by clicking the corner points. After tracing the desired area, the new remnant is outlined. Simply save the project, and this custom remnant is added to your Sheets library. Find your saved remnants in the Sheets library under the Start tab, ready to be used for your next job. For any leftover material that isn't usable, select Destruct Rest to officially mark it as scrap in the system. To identify physical remnants in your workshop, use the Label Remnant feature. This lets you engrave and identify her onto the material, ensuring you can easily distinguish between saved pieces. The simulation confirms the final cutting path. Effective remnant management is a powerful tool for turning waste into value. By building the simple habit of saving all usable leftovers from your nesting jobs, you will optimize material usage, reduce spending, and improve your overall efficiency. Start managing your remnants today to see the benefits.